Meaning of homing.
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 Homing. Homing refers to the ability of an animal to return to its home or nest, often after a period of migration. This behavior is thought to be driven by a combination of genetic factors and learned cues, such as the visual landmarks and smells encountered during the initial journey. Homing is exhibited by a wide range of animals, from bees to birds to sea turtles. Efficient homing abilities can be essential for survival, as they allow animals to navigate long distances with adequate food and shelter resources, and to reunite with family or social groups.